My name is Hugh Thomas and I'm a lecturer and part of the Creative Industries Department. I'm a lecturer in performing arts, so that's my specialism. But today I'm hopefully going to answer some questions for you about all the creative areas of our faculty.
Fab, thanks Hugh. So could you tell me a bit about the different courses you offer?
We run a wide range of creative courses, which is everything from the creative visual arts. We do a number of art courses, including fashion design, art, three-dimensional design. And then that moves on to things such as using media. We run courses in film and television production, digital media and creative media, music technology. And then we've got a range of performance courses, such as popular music performance and performing arts and acting courses.
Fab. So that's a big range we've got. There are also a huge range of creative courses sort of out there and in South Wales. What makes the creative courses at CAVC different?
I think there are a number of things. I mean, one of the things is our facilities. We've got first-class facilities, both in all our campuses. We've got a campus in the city centre, which has got recording studios, a professional theatre, a film and television studio. We've also got a dedicated arts campus called the Creative Hub, which has only been open for 12 months, and that's got all state-of-the-art film editing and music production equipment. And again, it's just a real sort of creative hub. So you know that when you're a creative student at Cardiff and Vale, you're not on your own. You're surrounded by other like-minded creative people from all kinds of disciplines, and you'll have the opportunity to work with them regardless of your specialism. So it's really sort of a broad experience in that respect. We're also incredibly lucky because of our central Cardiff location. We've got a lot on our doorstep, and these are facilities and contacts that we make very, very good use of, such as the BBC, the Wales Millennium Centre, the National Theatre of Wales, Bad Wolf Studios. And in the last year, every one of us on our creative courses has managed to do a variety of projects working with these incredible professional practitioners.
Yeah. Oh, that sounds brilliant. So are there a lot of opportunities for work placements with some of those organisations you mentioned, or do students get involved?
Oh, yes, we get involved a lot. We are regularly doing projects, workshops, work experience. So there's a whole range of things. And as a faculty, with our teaching, we like to sort of create as much of a professional ethos as we can. So we work to a lot of live briefs where an organisation, for example, such as the National Theatre of Wales or Bad Wolf Studios, will set us a live brief and we'll use that for the assessment. And quite often, those industry professionals will be involved in the delivery and the assessment of those projects. So that is really, really exciting, fantastic opportunities. And as well as learning, the key thing is the contacts that you are making in the creative arts industry.
Yeah. Oh, that sounds amazing. And what are sort of the progression routes like? Do a lot of the students go on to work with any of these companies or go on to higher education?
Yes, they do. We've got a number of progression routes. Many of our students will go on to some form of higher education, whether that's studying one of their creative subjects at university or drama school or a music college, to actually further their education and to continue to develop their skills and their contacts. And we have a number of students who will be fortunate enough that they can move straight into the industry with organisations such as Bad Wolf. And it's my shout at the BBC because they've been able to use contacts that they've made while they've been at college. And when they've been working on their student projects, they've clearly had the opportunity to make a good impression, and that counts for so much in our creative industries.
So if a student did want to apply and get involved in one of these courses, how do they need to prepare for an audition, or do they need to produce a portfolio?
They will do in many cases, but again, that's nothing which any prospective student should worry about. The first stage would be an interview, and at that interview, it's very, very informal, and I can assure you, as a team, we are a really, really nice, friendly bunch, and what we are very good at is making you feel at ease. And we'll talk to you about the kind of work you do, the kind of work you're interested in doing, and then you may be asked to put together some kind of portfolio of your visual art work, or possibly a show reel of some filmmaking you've done, or if you're a performing arts or a music student, to come to an audition. But again, the whole focus of this is so we can see your creative potential. It's not a test. It's not about putting you under pressure. It's so we get the chance to find out a little bit about you as a kind of person that we'd want to work with, and get to see some of the creativity really that's fizzing around in your heads and that we'd love to get involved with.
Thank you very much, Hugh. If there are any other questions we haven't answered here today, please go to our website, cavc.ac.uk/virtual open day, where there is further opportunity for you to ask questions, find out more, and speak to some of the tutors. Thank you, Hugh, for joining us.
That's my pleasure. Thank you.